Hello everyone and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. Today is day 3 of learning I Believe by Phil Wickham. So on day 1, we learned verse 1 and 2. On day 2, we learned the chorus and the bridge. And today we are going to learn verse 3 and verse 4. Remember that I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video in the description, there is a link to print off the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so I believe in the hope of heaven. So I believe, right, most popular sign in this song, in the hope. So for that, you're going to have your hands like this and bend them at your fingers. Hope. Okay, hope. And then heaven, rolling those hands, heaven. Heaven. Hope of heaven. He, pointing God in heaven, preparing, building. Okay. He's preparing, so hands on top of one another. He's preparing a place. P's, place, okay? P's are just like K's, only they're down, okay? Place for me. And then far beyond. So for reference point, we're going to have our non-dominant hand here, and we're going to show, way over there. Far beyond, okay? Far beyond what hearts, and then imagine eyes kind of in your mind thinking, what could it be, right? Imagine ears pointing to your ear have heard, okay, heard, or eyes have seen. That's verse 3. Now let's try that a couple times together. I believe in the hope of heaven. He's preparing a place for me, far beyond what hearts imagine, ears have heard, or eyes have seen. Let's try again. I believe in the hope of heaven. He's preparing a place for me, far beyond what hearts imagine, ears have heard, or eyes have seen. Okay, that's verse 3. And then verse 4, I believe that a day is coming. So I believe a day, okay? Day. I believe a day is coming, okay? It's coming. It's coming. And then he's returning to claim his bride. So we're pointing to God in heaven this time. He's returning. So he's coming. So he's returning to claim yet, okay? Claim his, honestly, I don't think you'll have time for that. So it's he's returning to claim, and then bride, 2 fists like this, okay? And then kind of move it in almost like a little circle. Claim his bride. Let's try that from the top of verse 4. So I believe that a day is coming. He's returning to claim his bride. Light the altar. So light. Okay, light, and then altar. I've previously done altar like this, but I saw someone do altar like this, and I really liked it. So altar, okay, altar, and then keep, making 2 Ks and tapping it on top of one another. Keep it burning. Show that fire. Keep it burning. See the lamb. So it's almost like you're shearing a lamb. You're cutting across your non-dominant forearm. Okay, see the lamb who rose, okay, resurrected, a roaring, okay, so you kind of have your hands cupped like this and you're showing a loud noise coming out of your throat and your mouth, a roaring, and then lion, it's like you're showing that mane that a lion has, lion, okay, let's try that from the top of verse 4. So I believe that a day is coming, he's returning to claim his bride. Light the altar, keep it burning. See the lamb who rose, a roaring lion. Let's try it again. I believe that a day is coming. He's returning to claim his bride. Light the altar, keep it burning. See the lamb who rose, a roaring lion. Okay, now let's try it. Verse 3 and verse 4 together. Okay, so I believe in the hope of heaven. He's preparing a place for me far beyond what hearts imagine, ears have heard, or eyes have seen. Now, verse 4, I believe that a day is coming. He's returning to claim his bride. Light the altar, keep it burning. See the Lamb who rose a roaring lion. And now you have everything you need to sign this song. So practice this video as many times as you need to. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video where we're going to walk through the whole song from top to bottom. Bye. I pray that the Lord bless you and keep you. I pray that his face would shine upon you and that he would be gracious to you. I pray a blessed day for you, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.